Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mesmerizing world of Lehenga fashion, and who better to take inspiration from than the stunning Rashi Khanna herself. So, get ready to be dazzled as we decode some of her iconic Lehenga moments. The actress exudes regal charm in a classic red and gold Lehenga ensemble. The rich hues complement her complexion, while intricate Zardozi or Goto work adds a touch of opulence. She pairs this with statement jewelry, perhaps jhumkas and a choker, to complete the traditional look. Embracing the trend of soft pastels, the beauty stunts in a blush pink or powder blue lehenga adorned with delicate embroidery or floral motifs. The lightweight fabric drapes gracefully, offering both comfort and style. She might opt for minimalistic jewelry to let the outfit shine. Rashi Khanna isn't afraid to experiment with fusion styles. She might be spotted in a contemporary lehenga featuring unconventional silhouettes or modern embellishments like sequins or mirror work. Paired with a chic blouse or crop top, this look is perfect for a fashion-forward event. Bold prints and patterns are another favorite of Rashi's. Whether it's intricate paisley motifs or vibrant geometric designs, she carries them with effortless charm. She keeps the rest of her look simple, allowing the print to take center stage. The actress opts for sustainable fashion choices whenever possible. She might be seen wearing a hand-woven lehenga crafted from eco-friendly fabrics like organic cotton or silk, supporting local artisans and promoting ethical fashion. Rashi Khanna makes a majestic statement in a luxurious velvet lehenga, often in deep jewel tones like emerald green, royal blue, or rich burgundy. The soft, plush fabric adds a touch of opulence to her ensemble, while intricate embroidery or embellishments elevate the regal appeal. She pairs this with elegant jewelry featuring uncut diamonds or kundan for a truly royal look. For a contemporary twist on traditional attire, Rashi embraces the trend of minimalistic lehengas. She opts for clean lines, subtle embellishments, and solid colors, creating a chic and understated aesthetic. With a focus on simplicity and sophistication, she lets the elegance of the outfit speak for itself, accessorizing with sleek jewelry and a statement clutch. The beauty effortlessly channels bohemian charm in a breezy, boho-inspired lehenga ensemble. She gravitates towards lightweight fabrics like chiffon or georgette adorned with eclectic prints, tassels, and fringe details. Layering with a crop jacket or embroidered cape adds dimension to her look, while chunky silver jewelry and bohemian accessories complete the free-spirited vibe. Whether attending a beachside ceremony or a lavish destination wedding, Rashi always brings her A-game in resort-inspired lehengas. She opts for vibrant hues, tropical motifs, and breezy silhouettes that reflect the scenic beauty of the locale. Statement accessories like oversized earrings or a statement mang tikka add a touch of glamour to her beachy chic look. The actress exudes old-world charm in vintage-inspired lehengas reminiscent of bygone eras. She gravitates towards timeless silhouettes, intricate lacework, and delicate embroidery that evoke a sense of nostalgia. Soft curls, a classic red lip, and vintage-inspired accessories such as pearls or antique gold jewelry complete her romantic ensemble, transporting onlookers to a bygone era of elegance and grace. The actress often celebrates Indian craftsmanship by donning lehengas adorned with intricate handloom weaves, such as Banarasi, Kanjivaram, or Pathani. These heritage textiles feature exquisite patterns and motifs passed down through generations of skilled artisans. Her choice reflects her appreciation for traditional artistry and her support for preserving indigenous techniques. Embracing her romantic side, Rashi enchants in ethereal lehengas inspired by fairy tale princesses. Soft layers of tulle, organza, or net create a dreamy silhouette, while delicate floral embroidery and shimmering sequins add a touch of magic. The actress completes her enchanting look with cascading curls, dewy makeup, and whimsical accessories like floral crowns or fairy tale-inspired jewelry. The actress pays homage to vintage Bollywood glamour in retro-inspired lehengas reminiscent of iconic film heroines. She embraces bold colors, dramatic silhouettes, and statement-making details like exaggerated sleeves, plunging necklines, or voluminous skirts. Her retro chic look is further enhanced with retro hairstyles, winged eyeliner, and vintage-inspired accessories for a touch of old Hollywood glamour. The actress effortlessly blends cultures and influences in her eclectic fusion lehenga ensembles. She might combine traditional Indian textiles with contemporary Western elements, such as pairing a silk lehenga with a tailored blazer or incorporating denim accents into her outfit. Her global fusion style reflects her cosmopolitan sensibilities and her love for experimenting with diverse fashion influences. Championing sustainable fashion, the actress makes a statement in eco-friendly lehengas crafted from recycled materials, organic fabrics, or upcycled textiles. Her sustainable couture choices showcase innovative design techniques and eco-conscious practices while still exuding elegance and style. Her commitment to sustainable fashion sets a positive example for her fans and the fashion industry as a whole. The actress captivates in lehengas featuring intricate draping techniques that add drama and flair to her ensemble. She might opt for asymmetrical drapes, cascading ruffles, or exaggerated pleats to create eye-catching silhouettes. Paired with statement jewelry and a confident attitude, her dramatic drape lehengas command attention and admiration. Embracing the elegance of simplicity, Rashi shines in monochrome lehengas that exude timeless sophistication. Whether in classic black, pristine white, or shades of grey, these understated ensembles highlight her poise and grace. She accessorizes with contrasting jewelry or embellishments to add interest and depth to her monochromatic look. Rashi Khanna makes a bold statement in lehengas featuring striking prints and patterns that showcase her vibrant personality. From geometric designs to abstract motifs to quirky illustrations, her power print lehengas reflect her confident sense of style and her willingness to push fashion boundaries. Paired with bold accessories and a fearless attitude, these lehengas are perfect for making a memorable entrance. Drawing inspiration from fashion eras of the past, the actress channels vintage glamour in revivalist lehengas that pay homage to iconic styles of bygone decades. The actress dazzles in lehengas adorned with celestial motifs, drawing inspiration from the stars, moon, and galaxies. Metallic embellishments, sequins, and shimmering threadwork create a celestial shimmer that adds an ethereal touch to her ensemble. Her celestial sparkle lehengas are perfect for evening events, reflecting the enchanting beauty of the night sky. Channeling the opulence of the Art Deco era, the actress stunts in lehengas featuring geometric patterns, bold lines, and intricate beading reminiscent of the Roaring '20s. Luxurious fabrics like silk and velvet, paired with metallic accents and statement accessories, evoke the glamour and sophistication of the jazz age. Her Art Deco glamour lehengas are a tribute to the timeless elegance of the past. The actress embraces her feminine side in lehengas adorned with lush floral embroidery, delicate appliques, or vibrant botanical prints. Whether it's romantic roses, whimsical wildflowers, or tropical blooms, floral motifs add a touch of romance and whimsy to her ensemble. Her floral fantasy lehengas are perfect for daytime events or springtime celebrations, exuding a fresh and vibrant charm. The actress combines elements of fantasy and folklore in her fairy tale fusion lehengas, drawing inspiration from myths, legends, and fairy tales. Ethereal fabrics like chiffon and organza, paired with dreamy pastel hues and intricate embellishments, create a magical aura that transports viewer to enchanted realms. Her fairy tale fusion lehengas are a whimsical celebration of imagination and wonder. Rashi exudes regal elegance in modern interpretations of traditional royal attire. Her modern royalty lehengas are a testament to her refined taste and timeless grace, capturing the essence of regal sophistication with a contemporary twist. And there you have it, Rashi Khanna's lehenga fashion decoded for you. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.